I think buchi is the esophagus. It's like the throat of the chicken. It's pretty good.
I can finish this.
You can?
The palabok. I like palabok.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're still in Davao. So it's Holy Week, so we're trying to see what Davao is during Holy Week, right?
Yeah, there's no one on the street.
Yeah, no one that. Usually this is packed with people or students.
Yeah, I guess this is common here. Everyone just disappears during Easter.
Yeah, everyone goes to their provinces.
So where are we going?
Oh, to San Pedro. And then maybe we could have some kakanin. Right?
I guess we're gonna some kakari. Alright.
Bye.
There's only like a few cars out.
Yeah. It's feels so empty, but still the street foods are still there. You can see the umbrellas, right?
Yeah. Yeah, she spotted the street food umbrellas, so we'll probably go up here. So it's always the same fried foods in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Isaw, kwek, siao mai. They're delicious, but it'd be good to have a little variety. But yeah, there's no one. It's the middle of the day on Thursday. Normally this is like covered in people, but not today. Everyone's out visiting family because everyone comes from the countryside. They call it the province here. So anyway, we'll be back. Is it good? It's nice. Delicious chicken nugget for 15 pesos. Do you have any change? What's that?
Butchering.
Huh?
Butchering.
I think buchi is the esophagus. It's like the throat of the chicken. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Guys, squeeze.
Pila na, te?
20, 30, 40.
What do you want? 20? 30. Get one for me too.
Two?
Oh, kauntis-tibatisting.
Yeah.
You eat bulad daw.
Yeah? The blood was the fish.
Yeah, dried.
Ready to sit.
Is this called bulad as well?
Yeah. This bulad ko. And behind our back. But there's quite few people here, right?
Yeah.
On
I
this
thought there'd be
area.
more people at church.
Yeah, there are. Inside. I maybe we should go inside.
Okay.
They're here.
Sure. We squid and go to church. Classic.
We're gonna wait for a squid. Bye. With the suka with so many onions. How does it taste? Chewy?
The beak is crunchy. Goes like the mouth.
Ah,
It is chewy though.
and the sauce, it's spicy.
Yeah. It's like a chewy potato chip.
Okay, let me try. This is 30 pesos, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that's crispy.
Here, crisp.
This is crispier than what we tried in Coast Guard.
For sure. What do you rate it out of 10?
Seven.
All right, so we are going around the block. We're going to a Cecil's Bakery, which apparently is a big like snack food bakery place, right?
Yeah, like old bakery place or snack house in Davao.
Yeah.
Do you think they're open?
I don't know. It's hard. It's like a 50-50 shot if anything is open on Holy Week. Most things are definitely closed tomorrow. Friday is like the big day for some reason, but not actual Easter. Easter itself is not.
Because it's already like most people's day off. Sunday.
And no one does Easter egg hunts here, right?
Some like in the malls or some rich people do that.
Okay. Yeah, I've only seen a few, like you said, in the mall. But
Have you tried that? Drip and dip?
drip and dip coffee. No. But I've seen a lot of places called Drip here that are like IV medicine shops, which I don't know who uses those, but
Oh, it's open.
do you want to film? Hold on, let's get Cecil's. Cecil's Baked Shop. Maybe you can ask as you're filming.
Okay. Thank you. What do you want? Afternoon. Ano na electric na? Dito pa yun. Yeah. They're sold out. Do you want the fresh and fried lumpia?
Huh?
Fresh and fried lumpia. You try it. Fresh lumpia.
I've had it before, yeah. You can try if you want.
Kasi kalat na lang 6-7. Yeah.
7.
6-7 isa.
Ay, masap.
But they're so healthy.
Yeah.
Sarap.
What's inside of it?
I think that's ano, like from the bamboo. What's it called again? But sometimes they add that to the dish.
Bamboo shoots?
Yeah, bamboo shoots. How does it taste?
Like it was made yesterday.
But the taste is it good?
It's okay. It's like a little sweet and like shoestring vegetables with like a sweet peanut sauce. It's okay.
True.
That's one problem. One problem with coming on holidays is sometimes it's old food. But you like it, right?
Yeah, it's good.
See the
Beautiful.
Thank you. Mix it. You know, have you tried this before?
A little bit. I think I've had it once.
Thank you, ma'am.
Is that cheese?
No, it's like from, ano, it's made of like shrimp paste. I don't,
Paste.
but there's a shrimp. I don't know really what's the, ano, the base for this sauce. I tried cooking before, but there's like a powder you can buy. Hot pa. This is what you like, hot food.
How does it compare to like Jollibee?
This is not very shrimpy taste. Try it.
Yeah, there's little bits of meat.
Yeah, and egg.
It's okay.
What about the lumpia? You try it first. The
It's like,
fried lumpia.
it's like a bland gravy. Like if you want a bland gravy, spaghetti with bacon and green onions on the top. That's what that is. Fried lumpia. That's pretty good.
You like it?
It's really good and fried.
Same feeling as the fresh lumpia.
Yep.
So hot.
I think it's better fried.
I can finish this.
You can?
The palabok. I like palabok. Kids want sweet.
Well, it's definitely good. I think their baked goods are better. The chocolate eclair I had last time we were here was really nice, but they don't have much of it because it's Easter week. So I guess we'll see where we end up after this. Bye. So someone is super busog na.
Yeah, super full.
Your eyes were bigger than your stomach.
Wow, that's a southern grandpa.
That's a southern grandpa saying, that's what she said.
Yeah.
Not southern, southern. Southern. Earlier she said Poos Malone
Uy!
for Post Malone.
I said Post Malone. You're so, I said Post Malone, guys. It's just...
Instead of focus, she says fuck us. We need to focus on this.
Oy, that's Filipino English.
So we're gonna go to 7-Eleven. I'm on a diet now, so I can't eat snack food. So she's gonna buy ice cream for herself, of course.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat in our room so you would be jealous.
Jealous. We'll see if I'm jealous.
Jealous, I said.
All right. We'll see you later. Bye.